Hello everyone, welcome to this part 2 of how to install your packages and get your VS Code ready for your coding journey. So now I'm going to teach you how to install the extensions you need to make life easy when you are writing your code. So you go to your extensions, open your VS Code, and you go to your extensions. I've installed a couple of extensions before, so let's begin. First extension you want to install to start your coding journey, either in HTML, Next.js or React, you have to install this extension, which is ES7 extension. So now it has loaded. I've installed it before, as I told you before. So now you just see install here. As you see install at the left, you see the install button at your right bottom of your laptop on the extension side. So you see install here, or you should click on it and go here. You see install here. To know you downloaded the right one, you will check the installation count, which can be more than when you are installing your own, or you should check the rating point. Now let's move on. After ES7, you want to install Prettier. Now this is the Prettier you are going to install. Prettier code formatter is used to format your code. So I told you before that I've installed it. So it's either you should see the install button here or here. Now to know if it is the right one, you also check the installation count or the rating. Let's move on to the next one. Now if you want to use if you want to start your coding journey with HTML, you have to install this specific extension, which is live server. So now this is the live server you have to install. Don't install a fake live server. You check the installation count and the rating point, or you should even use the publisher to know the extension is if the extension is the right one. Then you click either install here, like you see on these ones, or install when you double click on it. Now let's go to next one, which is bracket. Then this is the bracket you have to install. You will know by the installation count, the rating is high, and the publisher. That's how you know if it is the right bracket you installed. Then you install it by installing here, like you see others here, or you should click on it then install. The next one is git lens. Then now you install git lens. This is if you want to publish your website and you need a software that is going to manage and keep your codes after it has been published to the internet. So you have to download git lens to do that. Then you can know by the publisher name, the installation count, or the rating. Then you install it here. You see the installation here or here. The next one is Peacock. Peacock is used to change the color of your VS Code. So you either click install here or here. Then to know if it is the right Peacock you want to download, check the publisher, the installation count, and the rating. So thank you for watching. In the next episode, I'll be teaching you how to solve the error of. Stay tuned for the next episode. The next episode is going to be for the people that are going to be running React or Next.js. The error you encounter during running it, you are going to do it on the next episode. So thank you. Bye.